Money doesn't have to feel confusing. Here at Everyday Money Sense, we make money make sense. Hey, welcome. If you've ever felt stressed about money, overwhelmed by debt, or just wondering where the heck your paycheck keeps disappearing, well, you're not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. Now, I'm not here to sell you a book or sign you up for some special money group, or pretend there's some magic fix. I'm here to share real, practical steps that actually work in real life. Here's the truth. Most of us never learned about money in school. We learned the hard way, through bills, credit cards, and a lot of mistakes. That's why I started this channel, to break down personal finance into simple, easy steps you can actually use, no matter where you're starting from. But let me give you something useful right now. Here's a quick trick that I call the $5 check. Anytime you're about to spend around $5 on coffee, fast food, or that little Amazon thing you don't really need, just pause and ask, do I want this more than I want an extra $1,200 next year? Because if you save just $5 a day, that's about $150 a month. That grows over $1,800 in a year. And if you invest it, well, that money could grow even more. Now, I'm not saying skip coffee forever. We all need our coffee. What I am saying is start noticing where your money actually goes. Because those little daily choices, that's where financial freedom really begins. And that's what you can expect here at Everyday Money Sense. No complicated jargon, no guru nonsense. Just straight-up tools you can use. Budgeting, saving, paying off debt, building credit, and yes, even investing. All explained in a way that actually makes sense. See what I did there? So if that sounds like the kind of money help you've been looking for, hit subscribe and stick around. Remember, small steps lead to big freedom, and I'll be here every week to help you take them. Welcome to the Everyday Money Sense channel.